Hello, how are ya? I hope you're doing well. Today I decided to talk about idioms, expressions, and also phrasal verbs of the film Terminator 2 Judgment Day 1991.
Can't let you take the man's wheels, son.
So you can't leave. You cannot go away and leave the place by taking the man's wheels. Wheels here means, what does it mean? Motorbike, motorcycle.
Now get off before I put you down.
So now get off. You know, get off normally means to leave the place. To leave the place, okay? And so before I put you down, before I kill you, okay? So go away before I kill you. Actually, put someone down means to criticize someone. Here, as you can see, there is a gun. You can say, I will kill you, okay?
John, get in there and clean up that pigsty of yours.
Very good. John, get in there. Get in there means go back to your room, okay? And clean up. Clean up basically means to clean. Clean and tidy up. That pigsty of yours. Pigsty means a place where pigs live, and it refers to a very dirty place, okay?
Wow, it's an emergency. Hang on, I'll get right on it.
So it is an emergency. It means that I have to fix the problem as soon as possible. Hang on. Hang on means wait. Wait a moment. Wait a second. I'll get right on it, okay? It means that I'm going to fix the problem right away, okay? As soon as possible.
Let's move on, shall we?
So let's move on, shall we? So move on basically means to start a new activity, to start a new discussion. But as you can see here in this video, it says that it means that let's start a new job or activity because we have spent a lot of time here.
Took off on his bike this morning so he could be anywhere.
So he took off on his bike. Took off is past tense of take off. If a vehicle like airplane basically or a motorcycle, anything, any sort of vehicle, okay, leaves the ground and actually leaves the place, you can say the vehicle takes off.
Photograph of John.
Yeah, sure, hold on.
So yes, sure, hold on. Okay, sure means certainly. Hold on means wait. Wait for a second. Wait for a minute.
Will you hurry up? This is taking too long.
Hurry up. Hurry up means be fast and quick. Okay? Don't waste any time. Be fast.
Piece cake!
Yes, piece of cake. Piece of cake means very easy. The most easiest thing that you can ever do it.
Tried to blow up the computer factory.
So she tried to blow up. Blow up means explode and destroy.
Where's our son, Sarah?
They took him away from me.
They took him away from me. Okay, take away means to remove someone or something away to other places without any permission.
And I was looking forward to seeing my son.
Very good. I was looking forward to see my son. Okay, this is a very nice expression. You can use it and pay attention to the grammatical form here. Okay, so the point is this: I am, actually this is past tense, I am looking forward. Okay, so I am looking forward is fixed to, you need a noun here. This seeing is gerund, right? So this gerund is sort of, noun, okay? The position of this word is a sort of noun. So I was looking forward to seeing my son, okay? What happens? It means that I am so pleased and excited because something very nice and positive will happen in the future.
If I could just make a phone call.
Very good. If I could just make a phone call, okay? It is called as make a phone call, not do a phone call, okay? It's very important.
Afraid not. Not for a while.
So, I am afraid not. I am afraid not is very official and polite way of saying I am sorry. I am sorry, I can't, okay? Not for a while. For a while means for a short time. Here it means for some time, okay?
John!
Not now, not now.
Hey, man, there's this cop scoping for you. Check it out.
Okay, there is this cop scoping for you. Cop in American English means police. Police officer. Scope. Scope means to search very carefully for someone or something, okay? Check it out. Okay, check something out means to just try to check it and to make sure in order to prove that something is true, okay? So check it yourself to make sure that I am telling the truth, okay?
Get down.
Get down means be careful here in this video, okay? But simply it means lower your head and body to avoid danger or avoid being hit by something very dangerous.
You're not here to kill me. I figured that part out for myself.
Okay, I figured that out for myself. Actually, figure out means to realize and to understand. Which means that he understood that he is not here to kill him.
Listen, I gotta stop by my house.
So I got to stop by my house. Stop by means to pay a visit, a very short visit.
Pick up some stuff.
And pick up means to collect and gather some stuff. Stuff means things, objects, okay?
Negative.
Negative. Negative means no, you can't.
You have a Sarah Connor here? You're running kind of late, aren't you?
So, you are running kind of late. Running late means to do something or arrive a place a little bit later than planned.
John, help me with the light.
Will these heal up?
Yes.
So, will this heal up? You know, heal up here means will you be recover again? Will you be healthy again? Okay, heal up means to become healthy again.
We are better off on our own.
We are better off. It means that if we are alone, we will be more happier and we can do our jobs very well, better than this. It means that we don't need him anymore. Let's do our own job.
Keep it under 65. We don't want to be pulled over.
Okay, we don't want to be pulled over, okay? If you pull over your car, it means that you are going to stop your car on the side of the road, okay? Which means that the police officer basically asks you to stop your car on the side of the road because you exceeded the speed limit.
Affirmative.
Affirmative means positive. Okay, positive.
And if someone gets upset, you say, chill out.
Okay, if someone gets upset here means becomes unhappy, you say, chill out, come on, be happy. Don't worry about things, okay? Don't let anything to make you unhappy. Chill out.
Cops are going nuts looking for you.
So, cops are going nuts. Police officers are going nuts means becoming very crazy and angry and aggressive. Going nuts means crazy.
But then when my mom got busted...
So but then when my mom got busted, okay, get busted means being arrested by a police officer. Okay, so police come and arrest you. Okay.
No problemo.
Give me 5.
Okay, give me 5. Gimme or give me 5. It means that you ask your friend or someone to open their hand, and you can hit it with your own hand. So why? Because you want to celebrate, or you want to say, okay, we are very happy.
Never mind.
Never mind. It means that don't worry, okay? It is not very big deal. It is not very important. Or maybe if you don't want to answer the question, you say never mind. Okay?
Wait! You can't go in there! The fire set off the halon system!
So the fire is set off. Set off means start, begin.
Go back! Everybody out! Go back now! Go, go, go!
So fall back means move back or go back, okay? Or just evacuate the area and go away, okay? Retreat.
Go, run.
No, we gotta stick together.
So we need to stick together, means stay together or remain united, okay? We don't need to, or we shouldn't just leave each other, okay? We have to stay together.